Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I am back with part 4 of the 17-pound box of jewelry purchased online at shopgoodwill.com. So we only have the bottom of the box left, which is these rings and also the earrings that I have paired up. So let's take a look at some of these. Okay, here's gold tone. Looks like there's different color crystals or stones. Could be like a birthstone ring. Still in pretty good condition. See if there's any marks. There's something here. I think it's the number, like for the size. And yeah, there's another mark in here. Okay, here's another ring, like a hand, a little blue faux stone. This one has a lot of wear on it. And I don't think there's any marks in there. Okay, this is a little knot, gold tone. This is also kind of a smaller size. Let's see. I don't see any marks in that one. Silvertone horseshoe, some rhinestones. And yeah, I don't see any marks in that. Still in pretty good condition. Here's another Silvertone ring. This one might have been part of a set. There's a little stamp in there. I can't really make it out, but I think I see an N, maybe an F. And might be a mark right there. Again, could be the size, maybe a 5. Another ring with a knot, silver tone. Okay, this one's a stretchy ring, silver tone with a rhinestone heart. Here's the Silvertone ring with a blue, maybe crystal. This one's also still in pretty good condition. Let me check if there's any marks in there. I don't see anything. Again, maybe that's a number 7 for the size. Okay, here's a 2-finger ring that says love. Has a gold tone and I think it has a lot of wear on it. Looks like some of the finish is coming off. Okay, and this one is a Silvertone ring, but this one is really worn down. You could see the copper coming through. I think there's might be a missing rhinestone there. Yeah, and more missing stones here. Let's see if that's a mark. There is a mark in there. It says it's the letter S. So it's the letter S with 925, but we can already see that copper. So maybe they meant plated, 925 sterling, silver plated, I don't know. And the number 9, I think that is, could be an 8. Okay, here's another ring. This one is Silvertone. It's a pretty design with the blue rhinestone in the middle. And this one's still in really good condition. Okay, I do see a number. I think that's a 9 for the size. And I thought I saw something else here. Is that RPAN? Okay, so there's also this back half of a tie tack, and then a stick pin, the letter H. Oh, here's another ring. This one has a lot of wear on it. And I do see a mark in here. Let's see what that says. I'm not sure I could make out what that is. It's a little hard to see on the camera. Maybe something that could be C. You could think some of the stones are missing here. Okay, here's a little ring, Silvertone band. You could see the brasses coming through. I don't see any marks in there. Okay, here's another ring. Another Silvertone ring with blue crystals. Okay, that one I do see a mark. And I think that says NVC. Size 7, so number 7. Okay, so that was it for the rings. Here's some cufflinks. Looks like there's gold flakes in there. And they're still in pretty good condition. I do see a little bit of a mark there. It says USA. You could see that. Check the other side. Okay, yeah, there is something there. It says Hickok. Hickok. I think that's what it says. And I have a single cufflink. Looks like a tiger's eye with gold tone. And I wonder if this one has anything. Okay, I do see a mark in there. So that one says Dante. D-A-N-T-E. We also have this crystal on a charm, looks like wire wrapped. There we go. Crystal. And this looks like a religious medallion. There's an engraving with the date underneath. And yeah, there is a little mark here. Okay, so I think that might be an M, A, and then 14. And I'm not sure what follows 14, but then I see like MEX at the end. And then we also have this cross. Looks like it might have broke off something. I don't see any marks on that. Okay, so next I have all the earrings that I've paired up. So here's one. This is a nice pair. Has a Southwest look to it. Oh, this one's missing a hook. Some leaves. Looks like they're copper tone. Okay, some hoops. And these dyed shells with gold tone, teardrop shape. Okay, here are more teardrop shaped earrings. This is like a antique gold tone. More hoops. This one has an anchor. There's a mark on the back of these. And I believe that's Monet. Some rhinestone bows. These like iridescent color, purple and green. It's like orangey red plastic. I think we might have had a necklace that went with that. I feel like I remember seeing something like that. Okay, some gold tone hoops. And these are stones. I believe that might be malachite. There's a green. You can see the stripes in there. Here are some, I think these might be shells, and I think we also saw a necklace that kind of went with this. These are bronze tone with light green rhinestones. And these are clip-ons. And these ones, I think they might be stone. They do feel a little cold. Okay, more hoops. And these ones have tiger's eye stones. Some plastic earrings. Gold tone with rhinestones. And butterfly studs. These ones look like they have a lot of the finish coming off. There's some dangly earrings. crystals. Okay, more rhinestone bows and Silvertone dangly earrings. This one also has a lot of wear on it. These ones I think are stone. These faceted stone earrings. Another pair of rhinestone bows. And these are butterflies, and one of them has this ear cuff attached to it, so butterfly wings. These are, I believe, maybe porcelain. Silvertone. And that one also has a lot of wear on it. And these ones are, they kind of look like they have abalone shell in there, and then there's a like faceted rhinestone on top. Well, these are nice. They're in good condition. It's gold tone with some clear rhinestones. Let's see if there's anything written on the back. No, I don't see any marks back there. Okay, some gold tone hoops. I don't see any marks in that one either. Here's some more stones. That's gold stone on silver tone wires. These are plastic rhinestones. Here's some long dangly earrings. Here's like blue and clear rhinestones, some gold tassels. These are gold and silver tone. And these look like they could be wind chimes, but they don't really make a noise. Okay, another pair of gold earrings, gold tone earrings, and some rhinestones. So these are also in really nice condition. Let me check the back to see if there's any marks. Okay, so you can kind of see the letter N right at the top. I'm not sure what brand that is for. And I don't see any marks on the earring back. Okay, another pair of rhinestone bows. And here are, these are screwback earrings. Okay, silver tone screwback earrings. See, I don't, no, I don't see any marks on that. Okay, another pair of some hoops. And then these are, I think they're called ear crawlers. So the bottom goes here and then it kind of goes up the ear, and then here's a little cuff to help hold it on. And it's still in pretty good condition. I'm just missing the backs of the earring. Okay, some crystal and faux pearls. And these, I think it might be some type of clay, like glazed pottery. Silvertone lever back. And then we have these gold tone with the pink enameling. Okay, so that was the end of this box. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.